Happy New Year!
Hey neighbors, I'm outside church. It's watch night, about 9 o'clock on December 31. And I know we've been missing in action. We have been, excuse me, and not to prolong anything because the vlog really starts effective footage from January 1. So this is just to fill it in on what's been going on for the past couple of weeks. It's been a tumultuous couple of weeks. Sickness, there's gastroenteritis, there was vomiting, diarrhea, there was it COVID? Doctor think it's COVID. Eventually babies have pneumonia. So it's been an interesting couple of weeks, but we're alive, we're well, and I have come here tonight to give my praise to God in fellowship with my other brothers and sisters in Christ. Everybody else is at home, but it's been an interesting couple of weeks, but nonetheless we're here. We're thankful seeing the end of the year and hope you've been good. Yeah, so that's the catching up. I'm not going to prolong any gory details about all this and how I was bringing up, I'm not going to prolong that. So with that said, let's get the vlog started. January 1, 2023. Fast forward to the next morning. Happy New Year, neighborhood. Hope you have a great year, prosperous year. Be focused this year. Hope your year didn't start all like mine, because getting ready to go to church. So this is a stroller, getting to pack in the car. But on my way home last night, well, at church, I received a message from Tina before midnight that power is gone. I was like,
Did you pay your light bill?
But then I realized when I checked the app, the JPS app, that there was an outage in the area, an unplanned outage. So I came home basically immediately. I didn't want them to stay in the dark. So I come home, and on the main road to where we live, there's traffic, fire truck, because apparently there was an accident. Somebody crashed into the light pole, completely took it out. So the entire neighborhood is out of electricity, which means this is my undershirt. You know who never press their shirt for church today? Yeah, so don't really watch the dressing too much for me, because I think the ladies had their thing sorted out, but it will stretch out. And God now watch the ironing of your shirt and everything. But hope your year started great. May have limited battery life as well, so I'm not sure what we'll capture from church, but we're going. Stroll in for the babies. Everybody out today. Everybody. So this is all I managed to do at church today. All I got to capture because of the battery. A photo shoot.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, neighbors!
Happy New Year, neighbors! Happy New Year's Day!
Happy New Year, neighbors!
Happy New Year, neighbors!
Say Happy New Year, neighbors! Say Happy New Year, neighbors! Eva, say Happy New Year, neighbors! Huh? You say your face messy? Your nose not? So neighbors, that's where we're ending this vlog today. Abbreviated because my battery is now on 10% and it's now 1 o'clock and light still is not restored. The power is not restored since 11 o'clock last night. So Happy New Year, wish you the best for the year. Drop in the comments and I feel grateful to God for and so much you hope to achieve in this year. So cheers to 2023. See you in the next vlog. Bye.